What's going on, guys? So I'm here at J-Tech. Today I'm going to learn you how to use this machine. Pretty much a tire dismount and installing the tire on a rail. So, as you see, walk over. This knob right here. It's on, turns it on. Boom. So, my assistant will roll over the tire like this. So we're going to pretend that this tire just came off the truck that needs to get changed. So the first thing you're going to do, you're going to find the valve stem right there. And you're actually going to remove that. Wait till all the air is out because you don't want to die. Now once the air is good and out, as it is here, you're going to take it and you're going to roll it up on this platform. And you're going to roll it up on this platform.
You repeated yourself.
Slide it over using these controls. As you can see, the tire is fully mounted. It's not going anywhere. Sweet. Now we're going to lift the tire up. And we're going to break the bead. You start on either side, doesn't matter. Put this one down. As so. Now you're going to go over here and you're going to take your lube. So while you're breaking the bead, you can actually lube the tire while you're doing it at the same time. You'll dip it in here. Get a good amount on it. So, as you see, this platform goes in and out. And as you saw, I just broke the bead. Now I can actually spin the tire like that. So while the bead's getting broke, I just lubed up the tire. Now I'm done with that. I push the blade back out, got my brush down, lift it up, and actually slide it over. Now this handle right here will actually switch it just like that. Make sure it's always locked in. It's good. Another important thing that you also do is you do not want to actually hit this rim. If you damage the rim, it's going to be even harder to get it back, get the tire actually on. You might have to actually replace the rim. So, again, just like how we did on the other side, you'll take your lube, get a good amount on it. You'll come in. You just broke the bead. There we go. Now that's done. Now comes the fun part of actually taking it off. What you're going to do is you're going to go spin it all the way out. You'll take this, switch it over to this what I call a shepherd's hook, and you'll come back in. Again, making sure that you do not damage the rim whatsoever. You go all the way in until you hear that pop. Now you slowly start pulling it out. There you go. Now, you're going to take this bar right here, as I got in my hand, and you're just going to stick it in like this. Don't need a lot of pressure, actually. Shit, fuck that up. As you can see, came right off. Now you're done with that. Now, you'll take this and you'll slide all the way over. Again, making sure it's locked in. You don't really have to flip it over or anything, and then you're just going to push this out until you see that part of it, as you can see right here, where the bead is actually sticking out. Now all you're going to do, watch out. Now all you're going to do is you're just going to spin it off. Boom. Now I'm done. Now I can put the new tire in. This side.
Rid of the old tire.
Yep, so now we're going to pretend my assistant just went to get a new tire and my assistants were going to roll it. Boom, just like that. This is a brand new tire, ready to rock and roll.
So fucking
So
gay.
you roll it up on this platform. Now let the machine actually work for you. Don't try to force it. Don't really try and force anything. Just really let it work. Now I just got it back on. Flip this one around like that. Lifting it up. Let's see if I can pop it up. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the platform back down right on top of it. Slowly lift the tire down. At this point, I would roll it back off. Then at this point, I would actually put back in the valve stem, refill it back up to specification, and then also rebalance it. But I won't show you this. This is the video for just doing this machine. Thanks for watching, guys. Out.
Hashtag Trump 2020. Hashtag Trump.